Hello, I am Gary Cohen with WTWH Media. We are here at Automate 2024 at McCormick Place in Chicago, talking to people about the show. Right now, we are talking to Charlie Norz of Wago. Charlie, thanks so much for being with us.
Oh, thanks. Glad to be here.
Let's do some general things here at the beginning, some housekeeping, as it were.
Okay.
What are the big things, the big trends that you're seeing in the show, the things that you guys are talking about the most here at your booth?
Well, definitely, name Automate, right, is really important for everybody, right? We're seeing more people want to put automation on their plant floor. They want to be able to collect more data, right, bring it up to their higher level systems and do analytics for optimization, right, improvement, and that's what we can help customers with.
So we talked a little bit beforehand off camera, but now we'll do it on camera about some system remote blocks that you guys have. Can you tell me a little bit about that and why that's a big thing for you guys here at Wago?
Yeah, we've come up with an IP67 rated I/O block that can go right on a machine. The nice thing about those blocks is one, that it supports a lot of the IoT communication protocols like MQTT and OPC-UA, so people can collect data right from their machines. Maybe it's an older machine, a legacy machine that they want to collect data on and send it right to a cloud or a SCADA system. They can do that right from the block without needing any interface in between. The other part with those blocks is that they have a Bluetooth connection on them, so someone can stand right in line inside of the device with an app and either commission it or do maintenance troubleshooting on it. So it makes it much easier to see what's going on in your plant floor just using an app without having to go to an engineering office to try to read data.
We also talked a little bit about lean managed switches. Can you tell me a little bit about what you guys are doing there and how that's going to benefit your customers?
Yeah, a couple of years ago, we introduced a lean managed switch. We say it's lean managed because we've pulled out a lot of functions that our controls applications don't really require, so we can bring that price down quite a bit. But we still have a lot of features that controls engineers need. One of the large features is that we have a dashboard. So anybody looking at the dashboard you get over a web browser, you can see exactly what's happening on the switch, making sure that everything's plugged in as it should be. If something gets unplugged or it's not communicating, they'll get a big red arrow, right, telling them there's a problem here. And it makes it really simple to find a problem with that. So those are our lean managed switches. And the other thing with lean managed switches, everybody's concerned about network security. So we're seeing more and more of our customers wanting to put lean managed switches in so they can implement some kind of network security right on the plant floor.
Got it. What are some of the biggest trends and conversations that you guys have been having here at the booth at Automate 24?
Yeah, I think a lot of it is that data collection, right? People are really looking to collect data. So throughout our product line, both with our IP67 blocks, our lean managed switches, we even have now power supplies that can play data about what's happening on a power supply platform. So we're really seeing people trying to collect that data, really for the goal to read that data and then optimize their process.
It's kind of a broad question, but what are some of the trends that you think will come out of this show? Things your customers will be looking for here in the next year or so?
Yeah, I think doing things remotely, like remote operations, a big deal for a lot of customers, right? To get data from all across their plant. Right here, it's going back to that data collection, but here again, they want remote devices to pull that data into their systems.
Makes sense. So not everybody's going to come to Automate 2024. People who do, some won't stop by your booth. What is the message that you'd like to get out to people who didn't stop by the Wago booth here at Automate 24?
Yeah, we have a lot of new automation products, right, to help customers reduce their downtime, improve performance in our automation platform. We do a lot of things with wire connections as well. We're invented the lever terminal blocks for making installs really quick. So check us out on our website.
Sounds great, Charlie. Thanks so much for being with us. Great information.
All right. Thank you very much. Thanks for the opportunity.
For more great information, more other videos on our YouTube channel, please check out ControlEng TV. And you can always stop by ControlEng.com for all our great information, all our great articles, videos, things like that. Pleasure to have you here. I'm Gary Cohen. This is Charlie Norz. Thanks for being with us here at Automate 2024.